Hey YouTube, I just want to do a quick video here on stripping single stage spray paint off of ATV plastics. I had ordered some single stage paint and had it mixed up from a local auto electric. They did a good job mixing it up for me and matching, but what they failed to tell me is that you have to activate the hardener inside before you use it. Now, after I used it, I read this about activating it. I had no idea, it doesn't tell me to do it. And so I didn't know if that was something that they did when they had to mix it up. I had no idea. So, painstaking hours priming, filling, making all the plastics real nice. I hung it all, sprayed it. It looked awesome. 2 months later, it's still tacky to touch because obviously the activator wasn't mixed in. So after painstaking hours of searching the internet, trying to figure something out to how to strip this, and the company that I got the paint from was saying that you have to try sanding it off. There's nothing that'll take it off. What I found is this Dupli-Color paint reducer. Put it on a rag, strips it right off. Now I'm gonna have to reprime and work everything again, but just for you guys out there that have run into the same issue that I had, that works. I'm not sure if you can see, but there are fingerprints in it. It's still tacky 2 months later. So I went with the paint reducer on a rag, just keep rubbing. It's a pain in the ass and painstaking job, but it works. Thanks guys, have a good one.